Hello friends, my today's topic is self-join. So by definition, what is self-join? A join which join a table with itself is known as self-join. So there is a given table where there are three columns: student ID, course ID, and from when he is in the course. Then question is find the student ID who is enrolled in at least two courses. So we can see here there are student S1 who is enrolled in C1 and C2. Okay, so how to write it down and how to understand that what we have to go. So let me consider this is a relationship table. There is some another table who is having information about student, and there is some another table who is also having information about course. And this is a relationship table. Here student ID and course ID is the foreign key. Here student ID and course ID is the foreign key. So we have to determine the student ID who is enrolled in at least two courses. It may have more than two, it may have two, three, four courses, but at least two courses. So in some another table student, it is a primary key student ID, but here is a foreign key. Similarly, in some other table course, it is a primary key, but here it is a foreign key. So it is a relationship table. It's a relationship table. So how to extract the information for the student who is enrolled in at least two courses? What we need to do? We need to do join. So what we will do? In any query of SQL, first we will first execute is from. Then we will write select, and then we will skip this one, and then we will write from. What we will write? We will put study as two tables. What is the meaning of comma? Comma meaning is cross product. In joins, comma meaning is cross product. Then if we putting here comma, we will put same table as twice, and we will take the name column alias so we can multiply it. So from study as T1, study as T2. Table is same study, but we are considering it T1 and T2. After that, we have to put the condition, which condition we really want to satisfy. So we want the student ID. We want the student ID who is enrolled there. Then what we will take? We will take select SID, means student ID. In our previous table, select SID. If we take it here it as SID, if we will take it as CID, then we will take it, write it down SID, where from which table. So interpreter don't get confused. What we will do? T1 dot from table T1. T1 dot from table 1 as column alias, table 2 as column alias, where condition we will put T1 dot student ID should be equal to this. Okay, and course ID should not be the same, because we want the students who is enrolled in more than one courses, but courses should be same. Courses should be different, but student should be same. So student ID should be same and course ID should not be same. Similarly, you can see an example of a company where a manager is also employee. Manager is also employee. There are few examples at internet you can see. Or self join, a manager is an employee and another one employee is also an employee. So here is also we join self table. Here we also join table by self join. Sorry, we join by self join. So In that table also, if we want to extract the information who is employee, who is manager, and some relationship between there, then we need, what we need to do, we need to do write it down as self join. Here we are using same table twice because join is cross product plus condition, cross product plus some condition. So if we can, if we see the cross product, what is cross product for table, this one, what is cross product, this into this. So 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, there will be 9 terms for this T1 and 9 terms for this T2. And there is only one value where the value, where this condition will be satisfied, and that will be student ID S1. If you do cross product and will match the condition with this given written, then you will see there is only one student S. Okay. I hope you got how to write the self join. Okay, friends. Thank you. Thank you so much.